everyone, welcome back to Hershey's Kitchen with another recipe. Today I am going to show how to make Paneer Biryani. If you like this recipe, please click the like button below and do not forget to subscribe my channel. For making Paneer Biryani, we need about 3 thinly sliced onions. Fry them until they turn nice and brown. Keep them aside. Take a clean bowl. Into it, add in about 4 tablespoons of yogurt, some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoons garam masala powder, 2 tablespoons of biryani masala, some fried onions. Mix all the ingredients thoroughly. I have taken about 400 grams of paneer cut into small cubes. Add the paneer cubes into the marinade and mix everything nicely. By that the paneer pieces should get coated. I am going to marinate this for about 30 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll start with the preparation of making rice. For that, keep water for boil. Close the lid and we will wait until the water comes to the boil. Add in about a tablespoon of oil into it. Add in whole spices, bay leaves, cardamom, cinnamon, shahi jeera, cloves and javitri into it. Give this a stir. Add in about a tablespoon of salt. Give it a stir. Once it comes to the boil, add in soaked basmati rice into it. I have soaked it for about 30 minutes. This is about 4 cups of basmati rice and I have taken about 8 cups of water. Put the flame on high. After about 6 to 8 minutes, check with the rice consistency. It should cook 70 to 80%. Turn off the flame and drain off the excess water. Keep the cooked basmati rice aside. Take a deep pan. Add in about 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon of ghee, clarified butter into it. Add in few star anise, 3 black cardamom. On a medium heat, roast them for about 2 minutes. Add in 1 roughly chopped onion into it. Saute it for about 2 minutes. Grate some nutmeg powder. Give it a stir. Put the flame on medium. Add in about 4 slit green chillies. Give it a mix. Add in a teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1½ tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste. Give it a stir and saute them for about 2 minutes. Close the lid on. After 2 minutes, open the lid. Give it a quick stir. Add in about 3 roughly chopped tomatoes into it. Give it a stir. Close the lid and cook the tomatoes until they turn nice and soft. After about 2 to 3 minutes, open the lid. Tomatoes have turned nice and soft. Add in about a teaspoon of red chilli powder. Some salt to taste. 1 tablespoon of dry coconut powder. Give dry ingredients a good mix. Add in few fried onions here and marinated paneer mixture. Add in freshly chopped mint and coriander leaves. Give everything a thorough mix. Put the flame on medium. Close the lid. Cook it for about 5 to 6 minutes. Here, add in a cup of frozen green peas. This is optional. Give it a stir. Adding peas gives it a good texture and taste as well. Close the lid and cook it for about 2 minutes. Now the peas has turned nice and soft. Squeeze in about half lemon into it. Give it a quick stir. Now the masala is ready. I am going to spread cooked basmati rice on top of it evenly. Spread fried onions on top of it. Sprinkle some finely chopped mint and coriander leaves. Some fried cashew nuts. Saffron soaked in warm milk. Sprinkle some biryani masala powder on top of it and seal it tightly with the help of kitchen foil or dough. And close it with the lid tightly and on a medium heat put it for dum for about 15 minutes. After 15 minutes I have left it for about 10 minutes and I'll open the foil slowly. The super tasty paneer biryani is ready. Lift the biryani. By that the masalas and rice should combine nicely. Be a little careful while mixing it because it's too hot. Our yummy paneer biryani is ready. It is a very nice alternative for non-vegetarian biryanis. So friends, please give it a try and let me know your valuable feedback in the below comment section. And do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching.